So here's one bad thing about Mohican State Park if you don't have a full hookup with water, is they only have one water spigot here at the dump station for potable water, so gotta be patient. Stopping at Sheets, Ohio. Good place to get fuel. Usually it's not too crowded here at the Sheets. Time for a snack.
Where are we at, Keith?
Well, we just pulled into Mohican State Park in Ohio. And we're going to be here for 8 days, so. And it's right at check-in time. Check-in time's 3 o'clock. We're here at 3:04, so.
Crowded.
And it's going to be warm, so it'll be good. Our third camping trip with our new trailer, the Keystone Cougar 25 MLE, so we're going to do a review on it too, what we like and what we don't, and give you an honest opinion on what we think of our new trailer. So here's our campsite, site 149. The grand opening of the Mohican State Park Visitor Center. They're presenting the colors.
Oh, Smokey's got his ears on, he's off on your trail. He ain't gonna rest till you're in jail. You got a doctor, you got a duckle, you got a big gun diesel trucking. Just put that hammer down and give it heck.
do you got, dear? Wolf Creek Pine Run Grist Mill. On a trail that's supposed to lead us to the swinging bridge, and it's supposed to be a mile or so up along this trail. We'll see. Well, looks like we made it to the swinging bridge. Really? Doesn't it have a solid bottom? It's a swinging bridge.
Every swings.
So dear, we survived the swinging bridge, huh?
Yeah, we survived. We didn't fall over.
Didn't fall over in the creek.
Didn't push me over.
Good job.
Good job.
So we're here at Pleasant Hill Lake. Supposed to go kayaking here with the naturalist from Mohican State Park.
Everybody ready for
That's
some...
my wife Charlotte. I'm Keith. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Jordy.
Nice to meet
This
you, Jordy.
is Sam.
Okay.
You guys ready for some kayaking?
Yep. I think you used to be allowed to go up this fire tower. I guess we'll see if you're still allowed. Climb at your own risk. Alrighty then.
Here, you take the binoculars, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna miss it.
Well, I don't know how far I'm up yet. Probably another 4 or 5 flights to go. Well, you can't get up in the tower itself or standing right below it, but still get a pretty nice view. Took my breath away a little bit here, but it wasn't too bad. So out here in the middle of nowhere in Ohio, there's a castle. Pleasant Hill Earthen Dam by the Army Corps.
Alright.
Here we go. We'll see that it doesn't lower down, but
It's pretty high.
Charlotte says it looks like it's done. Let's grab the other one. Starting to puff up like Jiffy Pop popcorn, so Charlotte said it's got to be done. Hotter than the 4th of July.
Hard to get into.
And hard as Fort Knox to break into. There it is, squash, hamburger, potatoes, onions, peppers, potatoes, again,
Sausage and
sausage.
hamburger and sausage.
Mmm.
I'm taking a bite of.
Hmm?
Eat.
Perfection.
That's what she's doing.
What's that?
I said she knows what she's doing around the campfire.
I guess. 5-star Michelin chef. So I hope you enjoyed our video on Mohican State Park and what you can do and see here. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, and that bell for future notifications. And be sure to check out our review on our 25 Cougar MLE.